Lately I've been staring at the dark. Turn my inner demons into art. Struggle with the pain inside my heart. Wish I didn't care about what you want to say. What you want to say. What you want to say. What you want. Say what you want to say. 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 What you want to no one. No one. No one.
Gotta get up every morning. Big boss getting richer every minute. Oh no. Big boss on. You gotta get up every morning. Big boss getting richer every minute. Oh no.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, traders. How is everybody doing today? Hope everyone is well. Hope everyone is good. What's up, old school? Thanks for stopping in. I appreciate it. Appreciate you. Is the bottom in? I don't know, man. Is it in? I really don't know. ES is pumping a little bit here right out of the gate. They did leave an untested level on the inside here. Let's get into it. Let's just jump right into it, man. Yeah. Let's just jump right into the madness. You still took those BTC longs, yeah? At around 50? Good trade so far. What's going on, Powerhouse in the house? Thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you. I changed the chat window one more time. This is the last change. So, what's going on here, man? What's going on here in the ES? In the ES, we can finally trade on a 15-minute chart again. You know, this is bitter, man, for me, because I wanted to short this yesterday. Not this. This. I thought this dumped a little bit more. Oh, this is the 4 hour, yeah. We go to the 15-minute. Literally had my orders right here. Why did I remove them? I should have just left them. Literally had my orders right here. Just noticed that when I sat down at the charts today. I would have came in. This would have been a profit target for sure. So would have been winning today. Stop second guessing myself sometimes. ES is looking like a long though here, man. They did leave a little gap here. I think I'm just gonna get involved right away with a couple contracts, just a couple. 51, 52, one, and then I'll do one more at 50. Yeah, and then the stop loss will be not too far below that. $16 per contract, that's okay. Even $20 per contract, that's okay. So that's the stop loss. Okay, we got it in here. We got it in here. Where do I live in Canada? I don't. Canada. Fuck it. It's taxes, man. Couldn't stay. I live in Southeast Asia. I'm from Canada. Okay, and then this one will be at the highs. It's kind of the setup here for ES. We'll see if we get tagged in. I'll probably end up pushing and moving shit around because these are huge targets. This is hitting that right now. We'd really like them to just retest it a little deeper here, guys. Let's see if they do. I mean, yesterday playing that 1 minute, man. Wow, so crazy. Had to play the 1 minute. check the old ecom. Do we have news today? Why does this thing pop up now, man? Why did it do this to me? Yeah, it just pops up every time now, eh? That's good. Thanks a lot, guys. Guess I won't be doing it that way anymore. It's all right. Can just get onto the old web page. Agree, man. Really, not too much today. 8:30. There is a little bit of impact on the news. Nothing too crazy. Just this to the bookmarks bar, and we can be done with it, right? All right. This first target's probably going to be moved up too. It's going to be moved up to there, because if they come down there, they can fail this top part, right? $50 for the first target. Really, the second one should just be a sweep of this too. Not 245. Should just be this. Okay, that is the setup for ES. Let's make it happen today, boys. Really, this is bitter, man. Really, I had this pegged. This dumped here, and this is when I like left the market basically, around 10 o'clock or 10:30. Yeah, I left around here, right before they tagged it in. Really, if I was here, I probably would have pushed that in, man. It's too bad. It's too bad, man. Could have made bank. Could have made bank. Oh well. What are you gonna do? So 8:30 numbers coming up. Moderate impact on the market. So keep an eye out. Not leverage long, no. I honestly, guys, I think Bitcoin is gonna dump more. It did go pretty low. It is a nice higher low, and they did gain the 15. And now they gain the, let me see here, gain the hourly. So they are gaining the hourly now too. Getting back above 54 is pretty kind of important. This is the main zone to get back above here. This 56, 58. So we'll see what happens there. And even if they reject there, then they need to hold this 53. So I really haven't taken any longs. I still have shorts going. You're in from 52, 52.5, 52.6 basically. Yeah, that's this retest of this. Yeah, it just wasn't, it's just not proper, right? Like this was for me, this was when they do this, and they do it, and then they just gain an internal trend like that. I don't like it. But now that they're gaining this, it looks better. So maybe on some kind of sweep, or If they do test back down here, might be pretty good for longs. Now that they're gaining this hourly, looks a lot better. Let's look at the 4 hour. And the 4 hour still just looks like shit, right? Like this looks, the longer term time frame on Bitcoin looks fucking terrible. You know, that's bad. We'll see what they do here at 56. They need to get over this part. Glad I can only see the data back till, you know, here. Stupid. Oh, because I have 1 month selected. Still not used to this this software, guys. Yeah, like, I don't know, man. Like, I don't think that this little thing is gonna hold up the whole market, but we'll see. You know, holding this, breaking through, and then holding above here is gonna be important. So yeah, 1 hour gain. I don't know. Looks like I'm getting filled here on ES. Let's go. See if we can get 2 fills. Just 1? Is it just 1? Or is it 2? Is it gonna be 2? These cocksuckers just gave me 1. Well, 1 better than none, I guess, right? ETH looks even worse. Can look at it. ETH. BTC. I always just look at the perp contract. Oh yeah, shit's dumping, yeah. Jesus. ETH, BTC, ETH, USDT. Yeah, like ETH, this is the level, this looks terrible for ETH, right? Like this is the level that I was looking for on the lower end of Bitcoin. ETH is already there. Bitcoin's trading like up here. I don't know. I'm not too quick to try to get longs here yet, man. In Bitcoin, I just kind of think that it's gonna fall apart still. Like, I think we're gonna see this like 40, around 40. But this was the first area for a bounce, right? The big liquidity underneath. I wish I could ban these guys right out of this software, but I can't. That's the only bad part, I guess, about that software. That's all right. I can easily ban you over here, buddy. No one's looking for your viewers or whatever. Get a real job, man. Yeah, so this was the area for them to bounce it though. I was I was expecting them to take the liquidity out from underneath 50, and of course there's going to be some reaction there, right? You know, there's a bunch of liquidity there, so bound to bounce a bit. All right, we're in with 2. Let's pump it now. Just stop it right here and pump it. Come on, man. See if we can get one. Move this up a bit here to there. See if they can turn this around now. Can we get a pump? Just a bit, you know? Just a bit of a pump, and then I can push everything into profit. Yeah, really a bit bitter about this one though. Like I had that pegged, dude. I had that pegged. Sucks. Kind of sucks, man. All right, now just go to the first profit target. That's it. You got real close to my stop. That's enough out of you. It's enough out of you, yes. Go back to your home. A little shifty here. I don't know if it's gonna happen. And Q doesn't look very good. And Q did take the liquidity. They could pump it out of that. Maybe not. We shall see. All right. Nothing to write home about yet, but at least we're pumping a bit. Just go. Just give it. I dropped the ball on doing the YouTube video today. I was too busy booking flights and stuff for Thailand. Let's go. And Q's pumping a little bit. Let's do it. Probably just gonna push one of these now and push the profit, the stop in a profit. There we go. Off to the races, boys. We're in with one winner. Starting the day with one winner. It's a positive. That's a positive. Let's check out the account. Let's look at our winner. Let's go. Look at that. Realized profit $16. Let's go. Another winner. My win rate is through the roof. Really, we're rocking like a pretty good win rate, man. %, man. It's a 70% win rate. Let's fucking go, boys. 70%. A cumulative return of 221% in 2 weeks. I have a feeling I'm going to get stopped out on the rest of this, though. It's all right, man. Let's see if NQ holds this 1 minute. Dude, my ping is like just the worst here. Uh-oh. Bit close to the stop there, boys. I think we're gonna get stopped out in this guy. Just lower it just a tad. Not a bad NQ scalp right here. We got numbers at 8:30, don't forget. Let's pump it one time. Let's pump it one time for the stream. Let's do it. Yeah, not a bad NQ scalp there. I would have already taken a profit. Just calling it here, yeah. 54, already 20 points, yeah. Not bad. I might push out of this one on ES too. Should just leave it though, really, man, and let's try to get a little bit of a bigger trade here, right? This isn't a half decent spot to fucking go. I'm worried about the numbers at 8:30 and them just coming and wiping out everything, right? Usually don't like to be involved in the market until after the numbers happen, but they are only a moderate impact today. Anything going on in the Russell? What's going on with the Russell? What's happening with the Russell lately? Just failing the 15, eh? Went down. No, there was a little imbalance here. This is untested. Would have been a good play. And up here. Yeah. Nothing really to do on that guy. Nothing too much to do. They did sweep this also too, so they could see all the liquidity, and there's no liquidity up here anymore. Did ES take liquidity too? No, they didn't. There's still liquidity left. Yeah, up here. Just failed it. I'm really just trying to get a swing high, man. I have a feeling that we're just gonna get stopped out on the rest of that. We shall see. We shall see. How are you guys doing, man? I didn't even look at my long-term portfolio. I haven't even looked in there. I'm scared to, man, really. Rather not. Rather just stay away. Give her a couple days, man. So, NQ, you know, that long played like a motherfucker. You know, I told you guys. This is where I said, go. Let's get on the tick here, man. This can get moved up to there. really it can get moved up to there, but they usually like to take a little liquidity. It's a pretty good liquidity spot, isn't it? Let's see if they take this liquidity here. If they take it and then go, and then you can move your stop up, right? That's how it works. Let's see, here's the liquidity. Let's see what they do with it. Uh-oh. Oh, not good. This is kind of a re-add spot. Okay, pump it now, pump it. So the stop will be moved here if they get higher highs. But it could just fail this year. We'll see. We shall see. I'm okay, thanks. Actually, yeah, please. Does it work? Is it cool? All right, are you gonna do it here, ES? Are you gonna maybe pump it above? Gonna gain 26 or 52, 60? 26, what the hell was that? Still looking okay. And Q looks pretty good too still. Q coming up to a kind of a spot here. Big resistance. Nifty. Just give me 1 sec. I just want to move the stop as soon as it gets up here. I don't know if it's going to. Nifty. Nifty. Lost the weekly. Haven't touched anything yet, right? So kind of expect them at least down there, right? On the daily. Let's look at the daily. Lost the daily. Couple gaps to close up here. This gap too. They did kind of they kind of tested this here, right? They took the liquidity a little bit, so maybe they might not get up there. The 4 hour. Let's just look at the 4 hour. You gaining anything down here? No, this looks like it's going lower for sure. They did take the liquidity here, but they pumped it and then just rejected the shit out of it, right? So you could buy this on a higher low play, you know what I mean? But really, like, this is probably coming down here, right? Probably coming here is what I would guess. Can it go back up first? Sure, it can. it's already rejected the bottom of this. The top of this is still up for grabs. I don't know if they grabbed the top of this. They almost did. Yeah, they almost did. The bottom of this was tested on the way down here, so you know, I don't know. This is just not like, this doesn't look very good, right? For a chart, it just looks like it's going lower. Can they come up here and test something first? They definitely can. There's a couple things here to look at. This top one looks like it was done basically here on the way down. You can look on the 15-minute here. See how this, yeah, they tested this top one on the way down. So that was done on the way down. You know, a couple things here that are up for grabs still, right? This one should be moved here actually to this. And this bottom one, it looks like it was tested. So they tested the bottom of it already. Yeah. They tested the bottom of it. They should test the top of it. So if they do go up here, this area is going to probably be a rejection zone. This bottom one was tested. I don't think that they'll get up here because they've already tested this failure on the way down. So I just don't think that, I don't believe they'd get up that high. They're probably going to fail something in this range if they start pumping. They did, you know, this is inside trend too. This isn't a 15-minute gain. This is inside trend, so they didn't even gain the 15. This isn't a gain, this is just liquidity and then dumping like crazy. And then they're pumping here because there's liquidity here. And this was the liquidity spot, right? That's why the initial pump happened. That made sense. Oh, I got stopped. No. God, why? $23 on the day. Oh, I could have had 75. Guys, no worries, Powerhouse. Happy to help. So hopefully this makes new lows and we can look at another entry. This is kind of untested zone right down here. Yeah, it's like the breakout range here. Kind of come down and tested it already, but this swing is kind of untested. It's a 1 minute, but let's go back to the 15 here. I thought we were done with this 1 minute bullshit, man. Ranges are so big. So second test on this, you know, it's just taking second tests on things, guys, is a fucking, it's a losing game, man. You just shouldn't do it. Honestly, you should just look for first test opportunities where there's a gap and take the first test and move your stop to profit. And honestly, you're gonna, if you do that, you'll become a 10 times better trader overnight. Will you miss trades? 100%. You do all the time. But if you focus on just taking one, like the first time it touches the gap, or the first time it touches the fair value gap, or the first time it does a retest when there's an untested level, because it's almost guaranteed that there's going to be a reaction. And then take a quick PT, move stop into profit. That's how you get a high win rate. Because even I got stopped out there, that still counts as a win. But you have to, you know, it's a little harder because, like, you know, you have to have the thicker skin to just get fucking stopped out over and over again, right? Like, I literally take stops on the daily all the time. And look, it looks like it's gonna pump it now. It's holding. I don't know. I hate deep retests like that, man. I usually don't get involved. My zone is the order block, you know. And I like to see a first test on the order block and then a blast, and that's it. If it come back in, I don't like it usually. Really should have just had my stop there. It's okay. I have the feeling that 8:30 is gonna blast everything anyway, so. I'll be right back, boys. Hopefully we see lower levels. Like if we see lower levels, yeah, I don't really like taking trades down here, but if we see lower than this, then we can look at taking a trade again. The next level down on NQ. Kind of tested this already twice. This gap. So honestly, it's really just kind of looks like lower, man. Like they're piddling out now, you know. This is like a spot on NQ. Dude, look at my ping times. 300 and fucking 380. Wow. That's the worst, man. This is what you get for trading from paradise, man. Really so bad. Look at the Bybit ping time. It's at 700. Brutal. Let's look at the 1 minute again here. We did fail this. Now they looks like they're gonna gain it. Come on, guys. He's really gonna stop me out and then go. Hate you so much. All right, I'll be back. All right, 15 minutes until numbers. 15 minutes until the magic numbers. Yeah, you know, like, I don't know, they kind of have to hold this. Really. If they want to go higher, they really should, you know, they have to hold this or it's going to get spooky, man. I wish I could change the chat bubble color to not just pure blaring white. I know, but the other one looked like shit. But the white it's not good either, so I'm gonna have to change it up, I think. See what I can do here. The white is it's too bright, man. I don't like it. I know you guys probably hurting your eyes. Appearance. Oh. Appearance. Here we go. Let's see what we got here. Can't believe that this place doesn't have a... Oh, here we go. That'll work. Yeah. But then it'll be too dark. It'll be black on black. Yeah, it's not gonna work either. See what else we got. We got any other guess I could just use that. It's not really good. No, there's a lot of options here. Let me just go through this, guys, for a bit. Apologies. It's a bit too much for me, I think. Maybe just the default. I think we're gonna go with the default, guys. And then we're gonna go just with the words. Alright. Go with that. So just refresh this. That better? Still a bit too small, I think, yeah. It's probably better though for you, yeah. I don't like how they have the time on the side. Like, is that necessary? I guess it's not that huge of a deal. But definitely should be a bit bigger. ES having a bit of problem here, man. Like, you know, they're not gaining. Got the news in about 8 minutes. Let's see what that brings. But honestly, it might bring lower. Yeah, appearance. Got a scale. Embed and stream. Scale. 130. That better? See if that helps. I don't know. That's what I'm going with anyway, man. So I'm gonna go with for now. I'll check out the stream after and, you know, make adjustments if I need to. Looks like a little bit of a dump now. Coming back down again. Oi. Okay, looks like a little bit of new lows here. New range lows on the ES. Ahead of the news. Still in the range, just new. There's no way this is holding. This is coming down here. See what happens right here. I just want to look at the 15 here one more time. Yeah, you know, they should have kind of held this. Could just take a trade again right here. It's just like, where do you put the stop, right? Like, I can't put the stop way down here. I don't love it, right? So if I don't love it, I'm just not going to take it. It's kind of one thing I learned in trading. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Once we're down here, we can look at the 1 minute, try to find an entry, or at least below this. But you know, this is kind of shifty because this is tested here already. Two minutes till the news. Just hanging on by a thread here to this zone. Are they going to hold on? Maybe I'll get in for one. Just for one. The news here in 19 seconds. See what happens. Probably a dump and then pump. I'm gonna stop out and then pump. Yeah, it's not that big of a deal with the news, looks like. I'm just gonna put this limit back where it was. Oh yeah, probably getting stopped out. Yeah, there he goes. I hate you. How's the fill? Basically break even today. It's kind of a spot here. Yeah, they're trying here. Give her a go again. Not gonna stop it too. Not gonna give it too much. Really close to the stop. Pretty small stops though, you know. Like that's a $10 stop. Who cares? Not really a huge deal. Hi there. Yeah, I've taken a couple trades. Basically break even today. Minus $10. Took a long in this area. Took a long, took a profit target, took a stop in profit, then took a stop here again. And I was trying to long here too, but you know, it's not looking the greatest yet. I might take another stab at it straight now. Why not? But these are like small trades because it's, you know, this isn't looking the best yet. And the broker I use Amped. CQG. Not like yesterday, man. Yesterday we were trading a 1 minute. We're making like, you know, you just hit the button, you're making $100. Here's not the greatest, really. It kind of looks like lower. The whole thing looks like a little bit lower. Just kind of scalping a little bit right now. Try to get one more in here. Okay, 2. We're in for 2, boys. See if this holds. If it does, we'll take 1 PT here. If not, we're out. Again. Nope. Really got to get off this 1 minute chart, dude. Yeah, like I shouldn't even be taking trades down here, right? This was something, but besides that, nothing really. The next thing is here, and it was kind of tested here. So like, really there's not too much to trade in here today, man. Like there's just nothing here, not too much. Maybe on a different product, on ES. I'd like this to hold, but I don't think it's going to. There is a little imbalance here underneath this. So I could take a trade here and put the stop like there. I guess that's the next thing. Just take a trade on a sweep of this. Maybe 2. And then pull the stop to there. It's a $50 stop though, man. Maybe $100 for this trade. Kind of sucks, but hey, what are you gonna do? We'll try it. There is an imbalance there on the 15, so, and it's lining up with this, so we'll try her out. Might be gearing up for our first losing day here, boys. In over like 5 days. I do umalas. Yeah. Just hanging around. Hanging around. they get back above here again, I'm going to look to get long again. We shall see. Let's look at the let's just look at Dixie here for a sec too. Dixie at the failure spot, right? Come back down to this, maybe. Yeah, back down to this, maybe. These guys got a ways to go before gaining the 15 though. Oh, I can't trade that on the 1 minute. Hanging around. Yeah, the brokerage I use is Amped for futures. Amp for futures. And then Bybit for crypto. hanging around. Bit boring today. Not like yesterday. Yesterday was fucking craziness. Yesterday was crazy. Today, not so much. This looks like kind of like accumulation a little bit though. This does look like accumulation. Well, are they gonna buy it here? Or just a rejection again? Bit boring this morning. No gap. NQ is kind of like right at the spot to hold it, right? They're trying. One more go in this range, man. One more go at this stupid range. Good, go. I'm probably going to be moving my stop up to here. Yuck. Doesn't look great. Just pump it, man. Oh, it looks like stop out coming again. Not the greatest. Still not too bad for not having a good day. Just down $65. That's not too bad, man. I should get those trades back underneath this. So this will be like $120 trade. About. I can't trade that range anymore, man. Just keep getting stopped out. It's kind of over it. Probably pumped now. Does look like, you know, accumulation to me, man. Market's just not moving, you know. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And like a fucking 5-point spread. Not very cool. Not very cool of them. Not too cool of them, that's for sure. Okay, looks like they are gonna try here. I'll buy a gap if they present one. They gain this. Probably pretty hard though, I'm sure, man. Sucks. I was stopped twice or 3 times in this range. Frustrating bit. Just chilling now. Chilling. We're probably going to need market open to do anything. I kind of have a feeling it's going to be a sweep first and then blast. Hopefully we can get tagged in. Yeah, these guys are just, you know, failing here. This range is shit, man. It's like, you know, this really is what accumulation looks like, though. You know, when they start going up and down within fucking 5 points or, you know, 6 points, just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and like holding the same range. That's accumulation. It's either accumulation or distribution. You don't really know until after the fact. But because this has dropped a little bit, and because it sold off so much yesterday, probably accumulation. Yeah. A bit boring in here today. A little boring. So much action like yesterday. Okay, it looks like they're trying to gain it. See if they present something. What kind of stop are we looking at here? Not too bad. They'll be ready to move these up to here. To wait for one more close. See if they can close it up here. Nah. Didn't they close the gap here before they're taking off? Really just like boring fucking market today. Jesus. Really so boring. They're trying to edge this out up here? Really? After all that? Here's the liquidity. See if they continue or they just dump it. Just markets are not moving, you know? Can't trade like this. Need markets to move. Continue this 8-point spread, 8-point channel. So exciting. Down here for the 15th time. All right, are you gonna do it, guys? Is it gonna happen? Kind of looks like they want to, yeah. 35. Fuck, this is not the greatest mark to be trading, man, when it's like this. You know? Think I'm gonna get in one more time here, boys. Stop it at 36. Target that. Target this. Two. In for two. All right, boys. Let's see if we can like get something happening here, man. You know, it's not looking good so far. Gonna get in here for one more. Fucking one more. You cock. That was close. Now this doesn't look good, you know? Son of a bitch, this 1 minute is just killing me. Another stop. My God. Today is really not the day, man, so far. Down 135. 150. All on bullshit trades too, really. That weren't very good. You know? Really, like this has been shit. One more. And I'm just putting it under here. And if we get stopped out, that'll be it for the day. And honestly, we're not going to take a PT until here. Here and a sweep of that. We're gonna mark it in one more even. Bring these down even a bit more. Last trade in this range. Another $100 stop. All right, let's try it. Let's try it. Take the first one off there. The second one on a sweep of this. So we'll put it there. And the third one will be a runner. So up here. Last try for this fucking thing. I don't know why I was on the 1 minute. It was so zoomed in and fucking just taking stops all the time. Like fucking stupid. It kind of looks like it's okay to go, man. Like it wants to go. 10 minutes still market open. A little bit of movement here. Not too much, but a bit. Bit of movement. A little bit of movement here. Sure, they created a gap on the 1 minute. This is a pretty aggressive move, so we'll see. It's the most volume that's come in for the last like hour. Kind of feel like I want to put this up here, you know, get something out of this. Front run that just a bit. All right, man. It looks like they're doing it. I'm gonna just take one off right here. Stop is gonna be moved up to just here. Really, we could put it in profit. Like, we want him to hold the top range here now at this point. So, see what happens anyway. 2 more left. You know, we'll try to make this one count. You know. See if it does or not. But it's a little opportunity here on the NQ if they bring it back to here. Which is that? 106 to 95. Not too bad. $26 stop, sure. Market open in 3 minutes. Stopped out. Stopped out. It's not my day today, boys. Really. 141 down on the day. They held too, you know? Makes you just want to get in again. All right, a little bit of selling pressure coming in now. Finally done with this fucking range. Trying to hold this. What a pump. Wow. I don't want to take trades now until we're below this. Really? Double bottom they left here. I almost sold it. You know, there's not even a setup in here, man, that I shouldn't even have been trading really any of this. You're gonna pump it now? Unbelievable, dude. Really? Now you do this? Really, man? Crazy. Alright, that's it. That's it, bros. That's all I can do. This will be the last trade if it doesn't work. Unbelievable, dude. Unbelievable this whole range has been. Bit trading on tilt right now. Just don't have it today at all. Just the worst. Really pretty good example of like how not to trade today. That's it for me, boys. Terrible day. Down $479. Brutal. Just the worst. Get me off this 1 minute chart. Just yesterday with trading that 1 minute, you know, everything was going so well. It was going so swimmingly. I thought I could trade the 1 minute again, but no. Need to get back to the original game plan here, Jay. You stupid idiot. You know, how many times did they stop me out and then blast it? You know, unbelievable, dude. Really, how many times did I get stopped out and blasted? This one like literally stopped me out by a tick. Can't even believe it, man. And now they're blasting it again. I'm getting into this one more time. I can't take it anymore. Really, it's bad. It's bad in here today. It's been like, you know, I'm just getting ticked out by one tick all day, man. All day like that. Brutal. They really look like they want to hold this, right? So that's why I want to keep getting long. You know, this looks like accumulation, man. Really, it does. Like go sideways like this for this long, and then take the tops, take the bottoms. You know what I mean? Like this is what happens when they accumulate. Or just stop me out again for the 5th time. One more. Unbelievable. Another 130 down the drain. What kind of shit trading is this? Really? Nah. That's it for me, boys. I should have stopped a while ago, you know? It's a bad day today. It's alright, I had 5 good days. This is the one bad day. But really, I lost more than I should have today. So, kind of sucks. And then, you know, let's check out the spot I had marked. I had this 15-minute spot marked. Right here is where I had my orders. Right here, a bit right below this. This gap between here and here. I should have just played that. You know? Fuck. I don't even think I had a one winning trade today. So bad. All right, boys, we're gonna call it. You guys have a good day. We'll see you again tomorrow.